The Gaboon viper Bitis gabonica is a fascinating snake native to the rainforests and savannas of sub-Saharan Africa. It is renowned for its impressive size, cryptic coloration, and potent venom, making it one of the most intriguing and formidable snakes in its range. They are one of the largest vipers in Africa, with adults typically ranging from 4 to 6 feet in length. Although specimens over 7 feet have been recorded, females are generally larger than males. One of the most striking features of Gaboon vipers is their intricate and cryptic coloration. They have a beautiful mosaic pattern of light and dark brown, black, cream, and pinkish hues, which provides excellent camouflage amidst the leaf litter and forest floor. This pattern, composed of irregular patches and bands, helps them blend seamlessly with their surroundings, making them highly elusive. Gaboon vipers have a robust and cylindrical body, tapering towards the tail. This body shape allows for powerful strikes and efficient constriction of prey items. Like all snakes, Gaboon vipers are covered in scales that serve various functions. Their scales are keeled, meaning they have a ridge down the center, which aids in traction and grip as they move through their environment. Gaboon vipers have large, forward-facing eyes with vertically elliptical pupils. This eye structure provides them with excellent depth perception and binocular vision, crucial for accurately striking at prey. Gaboon vipers possess long, hinged fangs located in the front of their mouth. These fangs can fold back when not in use and are capable of delivering a potent venomous bite to incapacitate prey. Their broad, triangular head is adorned with distinctive horn-like structures called supraocular horns, which are located above each eye. These horns, along with their large, highly mobile fangs, are key adaptations for hunting and defense. Gaboon vipers possess one of the most potent venoms among snakes. Their venom is primarily hemotoxic, causing severe tissue damage, internal bleeding, and disruption of blood clotting mechanisms, while their venom is highly toxic. Gaboon vipers are generally docile and rely on their camouflage, rather than aggressive behavior to avoid threats. The Gaboon viper's cryptic coloration and pattern are crucial adaptations for survival in its natural habitat. By blending in with the leaf litter and forest debris, they can effectively ambush prey and avoid detection by predators. They are ambush predators. Lying in wait for unsuspecting prey to pass by, they have an incredibly patient hunting strategy, remaining motionless for hours or even days until prey comes within striking distance. This ambush strategy conserves energy and minimizes the risk of exposure to predators. Like all pit vipers, Gaboon vipers possess specialized heat-sensing pits located between their nostrils and eyes. These pits detect infrared radiation emitted by warm-blooded prey, enabling them to accurately locate and strike their targets even in darkness or dense vegetation. Despite their preference for forested habitats, Gaboon vipers are capable of regulating their body temperature. They bask in the sun to raise their body temperature or seek out cooler areas to avoid overheating, ensuring optimal physiological functioning. The venom of Gaboon vipers is adapted to quickly incapacitate prey, making it easier for the snake to capture and consume. Additionally, the venom aids in digestion by breaking down tissues, allowing the snake to extract nutrients more efficiently. Gaboon vipers have a relatively slow metabolism. Compared to some other snake species, this adaptation allows them to conserve energy between meals, which is particularly advantageous in their often unpredictable and resource-limited environment. Like many other reptiles, Gaboon vipers possess remarkable regenerative capabilities. Their ability to shed their skin allows them to heal wounds, remove parasites, and maintain optimal skin condition. Additionally, they can regenerate damaged tissues, such as lost scales or portions of the tail, which can occur during encounters with predators or while hunting. During periods of extreme heat or drought, They may become less active, seeking out cooler and more sheltered locations to avoid desiccation. Conversely, during the wet season when prey availability is higher, they may increase their activity levels and hunting efforts. Gaboon vipers exhibit limited parental care behaviors. After giving birth to live young, females may remain in the vicinity to provide protection and guidance to their offspring. During the early stages of life,